Great morning, everyone. Hope you're enjoying this cool weather. And for me, it's just right. I love it. But on the topic at hand, I talk to patients every day, see them, and we work with you. Sometimes we see you more consecutive than others. And I get this question a lot, whether it's a first-time patient or a patient that's come back or a patient that's been with me for 5 years. The question is always the same when there's an issue. How did I get this way? And I get that, and I understand that we forget the little details in life sometimes because it comes at us fast. But how did I get this way? I'm like, well, is there anything that you could think of? Maybe the way you were standing, the way you were sitting, sleeping, And for the most part, it's always, I have no idea. I did nothing. But if we just look at the big picture here, there's always a bigger picture, right? And if we look at the bigger picture, we forget about, when I was a teenager, I fell out of the tree. Or when I was a kid, I jumped on the trampoline and hit my head. Or bike rides that we just fall off from. Or as an adult, we forget that. Well, a month ago I twisted real fast. I almost hit the ground. Or I tripped. Or I was doing some heavy lifting. We forget those things that guide us in the state that we're in. And I know you've been following me, so we talk about the subluxation. The subluxation is a bone out of place, putting pressure on the nerves, and that's where it starts impeding the nerve system. And that's why it's so important to get checked, because even a 5-mile-an-hour fender bender can cause whiplash that takes up to several weeks or even months to show up. That's why I tell all my patients, if you know someone that's been in an accident, if you're ever in an accident, don't wait to get checked. And sure, the more severe it is, they're going to rush to the hospital and check you there. Perfect, great, get checked. But don't forget to go to your chiropractor. So I'm telling you this message so you won't be the ones that, how did I get here? Hey, that's why I want to keep you adjusted. Keep the spine well aligned. And another thing is we just think about having fun too. We're having fun, like whether it's with our family or at an event, we're more active. We move around. Whether you're at a concert or an amusement park, or just wherever, a sporting event, we move our bodies in ways we don't normally move, right? And guess what? Muscles move bones. Bones can move in your spine, put pressure on your nerves, causing the subluxation, which for a day or two you may feel, just tight. I got it, just tight. But then weeks and months set in, and now it hurts. And now let's say this was your neck, now it's got going down my arm. And it's like, Doc, how'd I get this way? And I was like, well, is there anything you can think of that you may have done in the past few days, months, weeks? And the answer is pretty much the same. I can't think of anything. But in my mind, your chiropractor, I'm thinking, hey, it's just called life. Life happens. And that's why it's important to keep your spine checked, to keep your spine well aligned, so when issues do happen, you get over it quicker. I know it's a new concept for some of you. I know it's a concept that some of us hold on to, and I appreciate that. And I just want to share this with you because next time you think, how did I get this way? Maybe an answer will come back. Well, you know what? I was doing some twisting. I was raking the leaves. It is that time of year, or I was, name it. Or I did slip off the ladder. Or I did twist my ankle. I've been walking in a walking boot. Now it's affecting my low back. Life happens. I get it. So The next time you have an issue, don't forget, here at West Point Family Chiropractic, we help people in West Point and the surrounding communities get out of pain in 90 days or less without drug or surgery. And if that interests you and you want to know more, please go to our website, westpointfamilychiropractic.com. And there's a information space or email space where it says learn how next to my picture. Put your email there. Then I'll send you very specific information on how to accomplish this in 3 easy steps. So please, if it's you that has a question, put your email in the space provided. If it's someone else, send them this video so they can follow the details and put their email address in there. Because we want to help you. Number 1, stay away from the surgeries if we can. And number 2, stay off the medications. No need to go into details about that. So, I'm Dr. Brenton Jones, West Point Family Chiropractic, helping people in the community get healthy, stay healthy. That's the important part. Number 1, we gotta get you healthy. Number 2, we gotta keep you healthy. So, look forward to helping you. I'm Dr. Brenton Jones, West Point Family Chiropractic. And don't forget to check out our website, even if you're already a patient here. That's where our blogs are. That's where you find more information about us here. And share that as well. That's westpointfamilychiropractic.com. Hey, feel free to call us, 706-645-1033, or come by and see us at 1106 3rd Avenue. We're here for you. We'd love to help you enjoy the fall and enjoy the seasons as they come. I'm Dr. Brenton Jones, West Point Family Chiropractic, and I will see you real soon.